Well, here we have the Flagstaff Superlight 27 RKWS. RK means rear kitchen, WS wardrobe slide. Two 30-pound propane tanks, power jack, ability to have two batteries. We supply one when you purchase the trailer. Power awning with LED lights under the awning, large grab handle, the solid aluminum stairs. Your barbecue sits on that rail. You can also bring your television outside if you wish to do that. The storage across the front is very large. Lots of room, accessible from both sides. Nice wide doors on either side of the trailer. That box there is your barbecue, which, as we know, is included. And here we have the outdoor kitchen. Outdoor speakers as well, right above the kitchen door. The kitchen provides a nice 2-burner stove, lots of counter space, and a very large fridge, as well as a very large cabinet or cupboard. And the fridge is very nice, very large fridge. And so here we have the interior of the trailer, which is very spacious, primarily because we have opposing slides. So that creates a large floor area. The sofa here is a trifold sofa, which makes it a very comfortable queen bed. You have your fridge, freezer, and a nice pantry. And then across the back is your kitchen area with lots of counter space, dual stainless steel sinks, again, tremendous amount of cupboards and storage, nice big oven, 3-burner stove, microwave, more drawers. And the pantry is substantial, nice and deep, so very practical. And over to my right is more storage. These cabinets are also very deep and provide a tremendous amount of storage space. And then right opposite our very comfortable sofa is a huge television, a sound bar providing a simulated surround sound, stereo system, and a fireplace. The fireplace is electric, provides heat as well as a decorative aspect. The seating area, the dining area, is table and chair configuration with an extension leaf as well. The bathroom is very large, accessible from the bedroom or from the hallway. Nice large shower with a skylight. It also has the shower miser, which we'll tell you about when you come and visit us. The medicine cabinet, very large sink, and vanity. The bed is a queen-size bed, accessible from both sides. You've got 110 outlets on both sides, as well as a USB charging station for your devices over there. Storage under the bed as usual. The ability to have another television here if you'd like to do that. And then, of course, the wardrobe slide, which I'll open up for you. That'll give you some idea what that looks like. Lots of room, lots of storage here, and it also extends into the bathroom, so you can have all your linen in that cupboard there. There's the control panel, and with these, with all of these units, the Wi-Fi Ranger is included, and you can also control everything from your cell phone. By sitting out in your lawn chair, you can open the slides, turn on the lights, open the awning back and forth, etc. Pretty convenient. So we invite you to come and see this in person. This is a beautiful trailer, very spacious, and an excellent floor plan. So we invite you to come and experience for yourself. This video is only meant to give you some idea of what you might be able to see when you come in. So my name is Roger. Come and see me, and I'll be glad to give you a tour when you get here. Thanks for watching this video.